Hi, welcome to A Couple's Place. I'm Lisa Lund. I want to let you know a little bit about our services. We work solely with couples and offer couples counseling, workshops for couples, workshops for professionals who want to work with couples, really a variety of services. Marathon counseling, if you live out of town and you want to come in for extended sessions, we do that as well. All of our work comes from research-based approaches to couples counseling. So we draw from the work of John Gottman and from Sue Johnson, and you may or may not know who those people are, but really they have spent most of their lives studying couples. And what we're most interested in is the couples who do well together and how we can help you be more like those couples. We work with couples at all stages of their relationship and all types of couples, including married couples, couples that are engaged, gay lesbian couples, couples who are questioning their relationship, and individuals who want to strengthen their relationships. So please join us and feel free to call us if you have any questions about any of our services. Thank you.